Oi, cunts! Welcome to the first and probably last Level Zero unboxing video. If you don't listen to the podcast, you really won't get the relevance of this unboxing video because we are unboxing a box of Fruit Root cereal. Here we go. Look at this bitch. Not exactly retro design, but close. I've been waiting for this since 1980 something when they pulled this shit. They came back with Fruity Yummy Mummy, and that shit sucked. I don't have high hopes for this. Those of you that listen to the podcast know that next to Kaboom, this is my all-time favorite cereal. Ooh, the smell's kind of close. It's kind of close. Fruity, chemically. Wow. Really fucking skimped on the marshmallows. Wait 40 fucking years for a cereal to come out and you don't put enough marshmallows in the bowl? That's not a good sign. Let's get the milk. A little 2% because my fucking wife won't buy the whole milk for some reason. Mix it around. Is there a word for like a sommelier for cereal? I could do that job. It smells pretty close. I'm a little concerned about the lack of marshmallows. All right, here we go. God damn it.